Well, if I talk on me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, after the recent verdict being affirmed by the 3-judge tribunal, one thing for sure, and the sentiments on the streets, in the homes, because at this point in time, you know, I think only for gathering, but in the homes and in the minds of citizens is that there's clearly a double standard when it comes to justice, or what we consider as justice being served in front of the courts. Now, I put forward two high-profile cases and show you the results. One of them, of course, Adija Vybz Kartel Palmer. The other, Patrick Powell, more popularly known as the X6 driver. We do that something there. You know what I mean? Yeah, to the KC youth. Now we have put it forward. Released as a free man after the 14-year-old Kajil Mayas was fatally wounded while traveling in a taxi, viewers and subscribers, and that taxi collided with the BMW X6 driven by Powell at the time. Some say him, some say never him. At the end of the day, a fame car, and they were eyewitnesses, viewers and subscribers. He allegedly alighted from the vehicle and fired multiple times in view of numerous witnesses, and the teen was injured fatally. But the justice system, viewers and subscribers, allowed this man to walk free. Now Vybz Kartel sentenced to 35 years for the Clive Williams incident without circumstantial evidence. Tampered evidence was admitted and accepted in open court in the case against Mr. Palmer. Clear political bias. Judicial officials oversaw his case in a recent appeal and yet still chose to affirm the first verdict, viewers and subscribers. Although it was clear that evidence was planted and the device on which the piece of evidence that they say was so damning was found on, it was found to be tampered with, but at the same time still sentenced. Clear corruption, viewers and subscribers. There is a clear double standard when it comes to justice and what we consider as justice locally. Now, some people are saying we don't need to take the matter to an international court, but what them are trying to say then? So if we accept the ruling, I guess you can see comments like these are not from supporters, because why would you not agree and have the ability for fight the sentence given and decide not to? Why would you decide not to? Of course, a Privy Council will think. Just a point out to whether or not say because the case high profile and a sentence like that would appease society. Remember, in the X6 case, people don't want to see him behind bars too. They never choose to appease society at that point in time. Why is society so important to them now? Why they must say them please the public by maintaining the original or the initial conviction of a teacher? When in the X6 situation, there was eyewitness account. The driver is still alive. The driver of the vehicle will collide with the theme vehicle, make him go on, do him go on with. He is still alive. Him still him. But they must say no, it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough that people stand up on the road and see the play, and it wasn't enough to the person that drive the car when he actually involved in the incident and say him. That was still not enough. But in the teacher situation, where you can find a device and claim say you recovered evidence from that device, and then in open court that same device was found to be tampered with, you'd feel like say not what them find pan it wouldn't can use though. Well, I guess not locally. I guess me and you are watch too much law show we come on pan TV. Cause the one them pan TV would have said that is not admissible. But I guess in local courts they can use it. I don't know. Clear double standard viewers and subscribers. Talk to me. Because the ruling is to appease the public so the public can feel satisfied and say yes, justice was served. We don't want this individual out here. No. Point to an individual who society that say no, what him go on was an atrocity. But him still walk free. So I guess at no point in time it is never about pleasing the public. Nor do I support court rulings being based on pleasing the public. We support court rulings being based on the law. And the teacher's verdict was clearly not based on the law. It was based on some form of bias. And we can't believe 3 judges oversee the whole program and say the same thing the same way. And after we are waiting for the ruling for so long, them choose to say, alright, we're going to put out a ruling of such. We're going to keep at the original verdict. But we're going to put it out now. When Fox 5 can't fly come out here. Because Miss Lisa Evers did already make you know. So as soon as them say Ray, she a circle. Them give it in a short order. Them say, yo, Thursday them tell a couple media outlets say, yo, Thursday, them tell a couple media outlets say Friday we da get the verdict. Miss Nita said normally you don't know from Monday. All she hear Thursday too. A joke. Them tell her hours before them give her the verdict. But we were so eager to hear what go on. We just say, alright, I can work with it. I can work with it and so what go on. No. It was because them know whether the best time to give you a reasoning like that. Because at this point in time it happened, and there's very little we could have do about it more than express yourself, voice with disagreement, voice with disappointment, and just move on. Because you see what take place worldwide. So there are more pressing matters at hand. So, you know what I mean? The teacher say, oh, no, could just move on. Could just take it to the privy. And nobody follow them up. But definitely food for thought. People are saying, look on the X6 case as opposed to the Vybz Kartel case. And that's true. There was more evidence in the X6 case as opposed to the Vybz Kartel case. And they were both high profile cases. For one reason or another, Vybz Kartel is a superstar. But what happened to the youth while traveling in a taxi about him own business? People is still outraged with that too as well. So they were both high profile cases. But in a one case, them give you a ruling and say a justice that. And in the next case, them give you a ruling and say, yeah, that a justice. People would have said maybe those rulings should have been changed. Vice versa. Yeah, them feel like, see how X6 driver get Vybz Kartel verdict, and Vybz Kartel verdict get the X6 man verdict. I say it, look, I can't state it in other way. On the streets, well, the yard them attack. We're not gonna say the streets attack. The yard them attack. The people in the yard them attack. And they must say at this point in time, them surprised. Uno surprised, outraged, Uno outraged, disappointed, Uno disappointed, confused, Uno confused. I say, Uno confused are still optimistic. I me myself, we're confident. We know freedom is a must. It did have to play out that way. Because there's no way we could have moved the case forward to an international court without the highest local court touching the case first. So we couldn't overstep the local appeal court and go to an international appeal court. It have to pass through that one here first. And then we get a ruling from them, and then we can seek another. It couldn't go the other way. So whether or not we didn't know say the appeal wouldn't be denied or rejected or whatever you want to term it. It's not a loss. It can't be a loss because you have a higher court than the court to turn it down. So it can't be a loss. But whether or not that was known, this is the process. This is the procedure. And there was no going around that. Facts are the facts. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon today as well, for me like we drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon today, we can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion, comment section, always open 24/7. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, I upmove settings fam. I wouldn't need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.